Good evening. This is Vinod from VS Infotech. Today I discuss the topic is GSTR 2A 2B and reconciliation tool. So already many more video I uploaded on YouTube channel GSTR 2A and 2B, but now some bugs has been resolved as well as some new updates also we are added. What are the features available on new this tool? Okay, I will explain. Just to see, first of all, user interface changed. Previously some difference method is there. Right now we are interface changed, like separate menu we are given. The first one is GSTR1 reconciliations. Only sales related information, everything is there. This particular menu, GSTR1 your sales details, GSTR1 HSN wise summary. Some auditors, some accountant asking for you HSN wise summary you can provide, sales report you can provide. So that's why this report we are right now added in this new add-ons. Okay, so for example you can change the period, so as well as per your report ready. This is HSN wise sales report. And as usual, same GSTR1 reconciliation B2B summary and GSTR1 reconciliation B2B detailed. Detailed means separately all the customer and bill wise, and summary means GST number wise you can see the report. And the second one is GSTR2A and 2B reconciliations. So everybody know that GSTR2B is the most important on January onwards, because of already many more explanation I give you. Right now, small explanation I will give you. See, in January onwards, if you have a purchase book as per tally purchase book, you have a 10 bills. The 10 bills worth is 10 lakh rupees. But in government portal, that means GST portal, you have received only 70,000 only. That means 7 bills only uploaded your suppliers. Remaining bills not uploaded or else missed your supplier. So what is your exact ITC as per book 1 lakh rupees, and as per portal 70,000 is there. 70,000 is there. Which one is government will take? The 70,000 only government will take. You, as per your book, it is not considered government. So that's why you can reconcile which party it's not properly filed the GSTR2B. That means your supplier details. So how to do that? You already see that. Again I will tell you. Now you can go for GSTR2B reconciled summary. Enter. So this is my file location. That means I downloaded the JSON file from government side. That file will be stored on in this particular path. See, Vinod JSON file format. If you are go for 2A, you can select the zip. If you are go for 2B, you can select the JSON. Is 2B reconciliation? Yes, this is 2B reconciliation. Ignore exact matching bill number. Ignore alpha special characters. For example, as per your bill number AB001 to 2122, somebody making this kind of bill number, but you are making the bill is 001. So AB alpha and last that means as per your bill number, in last portion is there suffix portion is there 2122. So it is additional field it will be added, but as per your purchase book 001 only you are entered your purchase book. So automatically this software, that means this add-on, will consider that is the matched transactions. So that's why ignore exact matching bill number. If you want, ignore. Yes, if you want to know, that will be, it's not a consider. Okay, now yes, I will do the yes. Ignore that. Ignore about difference 1. Okay, now only 1 month JSON only I added, that is the December month. Now see, in December month, as per almost 6 party is there, 6 GS number is there. Something is matched, something it's not matched. So all the details will appear here. Here see, here are communication one party is there. Almost as per my bill book 13 transaction is there. As per portal 16 transaction is there. If I give enter, it will be drilled down. So once if I select all, control space bar is the command, select all the transaction, set to a status. Yes. Yes. So the match transaction will be approved. So anyone, it's not possible to modify the transaction. That means as per my purchase book, as per my government portal, this transaction was absolutely matched. So that's why I am not modify this transaction. So now I go for my books. As per my books, display accounts book ledger, here are communication for the month of December. Yeah, December transaction is there. See, automatically I will get the information my ledger book. This particular transaction was approved. Some transaction it's not the tally. You already saw that. Okay, that is return file date also. It will be appear here. Now you can go for that area. GSTR 2A to B reconciliation. 2A to B reconciliation. To be detailed mode right now. Previously I go for summary, now I go for detailed. Put enter, same option. So I am go for December month. So this is the my detailed information for the month of December. Okay, now you can see one option, not in tally. Not in tally, it means as per portal this transaction available, but as per your books this transaction it is not available. So is it possible to making the transaction one shot in this area? Yes, possible. So that is the new update for this particular release. So that option available on import portal voucher. You can click this option. First you can select the transactions. For example, now 3 transaction is there. Select. So the 3 transaction I selected. I am go for import portal voucher. Click that. So it will be asking. So you want different slab is there. For example, 5% slab is there, 12%, 18%, 28% of rate of tax transaction is there. You can specify the which one is 5% transaction you can select and you can give the path. Which one is 12% transaction you can select and give the details here. Now my all transaction go for 18%. So that's why I selected only 18%. After that, end of list. So IGST only it will be appear because of this is the interstate party. Enter. Yes. So now this is the fantastic option. That means you will import from JSON to Tally. This is most important to accountant. So accountant, each and every transaction it's not need for to making the transaction. So everything you can, some transaction it's not available on Tally, you can easily import from portal data. That means JSON to Tally data. So now you can check this transaction. See, IGST purchase 600, IGST 18%. IGST purchase 13,000, IGST 18% and round off. Automatically transaction has been posted. So this is fantastic features for all the chartered accountant and accountant. This concept right now we are added. One single entry you have a multi-tax, that is also possible. So that is also you can select the purchase 18% as well as purchase 28%. So both option you can select and put the transaction automatically, that both tax will be appear on your transaction. This one is we are added. So otherwise other things are same. Previously I added much more videos. So new options we are added, this one as well as another one also we are added. Just we can check it in GSTR other reports. In other reports you can see the GSTR 3B transaction details. So exactly you can see the report December 21, 31st, 12, December 21. Now you can see as per your sales details and as per your purchase details exactly how much of tax will be due. You can detailed report. This is detailed report. It is not a combined report. All the transaction appear. So this is in top portion is the sales details and bottom portion is the your purchase details, purchase sales. So output minus input, exactly how much of tax you are paid to the government. That information detailed report right now available this add-on. So you can export this option to Excel, even though you can calculate everything possible on this report. So even though you can send the your party outstanding details through auto email facilities also available. So you know that already, that options I already many more times I explained. Okay, this is the latest release GSTR 282B reconciliation tool 15.4 new version and new release. So if anyone wants this particular add-on, please contact me. My name is Vinod from VS Infotech 7200044055. This is my contact number. WhatsApp or call anytime. Thank you.